Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. And you guys, I thank you all so much for your comments, your tips on what to do with my hair. Now I'm telling you guys now that my hair is growing, it has improved. And I thank you guys so much for your tips and your, like I said, your comments. Now what I'm about to do now, I am going to mix up some product to help grow my hair. I've seen Gold Mouth mix up a couple of products that I'm about to use. Mine will be with different products than what she used. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what she's doing because her hair is growing and it is so pretty. But here we go. I'm going to show you guys what I am going to use, okay? First, I am going to use Sulfer 8 Deep Cleaning Shampoo. And this shampoo, it helps remove dandruff flakes, helps restore scalp's natural pH balance, and it is for all hair texture. Now I've used Sulfer 8 shampoo when I was much younger as a child. So I got this from my local beauty supply store and it was $5.99. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to take this top off and I'm going to squeeze some shampoo into the bottle. Okay, and I also have some Wild Growth hair oil. Now they said this is some good hair growth oil, so I'm going to squeeze some of this into my shampoo. Okay, and that's what she did. Just gonna go ahead and remove the top. And pour about half of the bottle. And next I am going to squeeze some tree tea oil into my shampoo mixture. Then I am going to squeeze some peppermint oil into my shampoo mixture. Now I'm not doing any measuring, I'm just pouring to my liking. And then I am going to add my rice water to my shampoo. And this rice water works wonders, y'all. I love it. I got to make some more of it. And now I am going to mix it. Shake it up. Okay, you guys, this is my mixture. And next you guys will see me do my hair. I will be washing my hair. I am going to call it a wash day. Tomorrow, Tuesday, a wash day. Thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned and come back, and you never know what I may have next for you. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much, loves, for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.